Namaste dosto, Jai Shri Ram. This is Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection, Vastu, Astro Vastu, Numerology, Mobile Numerology, switch words, visiting cards, and logo design consultant. In recent Vastu series, today we are going to cover one of the very important zone SSW. Important in the sense that अगर किसी को हैबिट है अल्कोहल की या गुटखा खाने की या any bad habits, especially in alcohol, this has been used as a remedy. So if you want somebody to give up or stop drinking alcohol, this is for the regular drinker who are habitual to alcohol. Then this is the zone southwest. So from center, this red area is the south southwest. So what you should do is you should put the bottles, alcohol bottle in this zone, and slowly and but steadily the person will stop liking the alcohol because it will have, the person will taste differently, very bitter taste or something that person will end up giving drinking alcohol. This has been tried on several cases and it has worked successfully. So do try. If someone is habitual to gutka, then you can put the gutka, uh, you know, packets here or boxes here or dibba here and see the magic happening. Uh, Tomorrow we will cover another zone that is also beneficial. Just one more thing that do not put any family pictures here because this is the zone of expenditure and disposal. So again, one should not put the money in this zone or any important items. Thank you, friends. This is Rohit Shah from Kismat Nation, and please do drop a questions if you have on the comment. Thank you. Do share with your friends and family.